This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise, we'll draw additional plates and smaller parts attached to members. We'll begin by drawing some plates attached to columns, and to make things easier, we'll just hide this concrete wall. From the View Manager, click on the Hide button and select the two concrete slabs. Then press Enter or right-click the mouse button to confirm. The walls haven't been removed, they're simply hidden from view, and we'll recover them later. Open the context modeler and select Draw Plate. Then activate the Attach to End of Member button, ensuring that the other context buttons are deactivated. Move the cursor to the underside of one of the columns, and Parabuild will automatically draw the plate. And by zooming in, you will see that certain dimensions are proposed, which we can now edit. In the Edit dialog, we can enter values for the plate length, width and thickness. And by moving the cursor around, you can see the plate can be aligned to any of the planes of the column. And once you're satisfied with the selection, press Enter or right-click the mouse button to confirm. We'll now draw a secondary plate. Click again on the Draw Plate button and enter the plate length, width and thickness. Place the mouse cursor at the bottom center of the new base plate, and the new plate will be shown. It may be necessary now to zoom in to the edge of the base plate. To reorientate the plate, press one of the two rotation buttons, or alternatively press the Page Up key. And when you're satisfied, press Enter or right-click the mouse button. We'll now draw some additional plates welded to the flanges of the column. Click on the Draw Plate button again and enter values for the plate length, width and thickness. Then activate the Plate Sides Touching button, ensuring again that the other context buttons are all deactivated. Zoom into the column and move the cursor to the left side of the nearest flange. Select the required height and press the left mouse button to confirm, and repeat the exercise to position the plate on the other flange. You can edit the plate dimensions at any time after they're drawn, which we'll discuss in a later exercise. You can continue now to place plates at will, and when you're done, press Enter to end the command. To restore the drawing, open the View Manager and restore the visibility of all objects. There are other exercises with step-by-step instruction with each Parabuild installation, and if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.